Welcome back to the channel, guys. Again, it is Prime Deal Days. I have done the looking for you so you don't have to. Anything photo or video related, I've got it for you. I've got about 25 deals here that I think everybody's just going to love. I try to find the best of the best deals, just not something that's like 5% off, but things that are really, really a good price. And if you'll wait to the end, I have one of the best deals I think I've ever seen on Prime Day. So check that out. So let's get started. So first off, we have the Sony 24-105 f4. It is 14% off and it's on sale for $11.98. Not a bad price. It's a G Master lens also. The next one we have is the Nikon 17-28 f2.8. It's 16% off and it lists for $1,096. After that, we have the Sony Alpha A6100 with a 16-50 and a 55-210. It is 33% off and it lists for $7.99, which is a good price. Then we have another Sony lens, the 24-70 f2.8 G Master. It is $15.98, regular $1,800, and that is a really good lens. The G Master lenses are just excellent. Next, we have the Nikon Z 50mm f1.4, listed for $496, and it is regular $600. That's a good deal too. There's some good deals for Nikon going on. Then we have the Canon R7. It is the body only, and it is $1449. Is regular $1,600. It's a pretty good price on the R7. I don't know that I've seen it quite that low so far. And that is a crop sensor Canon, just to make sure you know. It is the R series, but it isn't a crop sensor. If you want full frame, jump to like the R8 would be the version of this one. That would be full frame version. Then we have a Nikon 35mm f1.4 lens. That's 15% off and it is $576 and retail for $680. Then we have the Panasonic Lumix G100, and there's a lot of people that just hate this camera, but I had it a while back and I thought it was just a great little camera, and I love Lumix. As some of you know, I've made the switch from Canon to Lumix after 42 years of working. So I don't have the G100 anymore. I've switched them in and out so many times, but this is a really good camera. Now, it's not a $2,000 camera, but for the price, it's really cool. And it comes with a 12-32, which is equivalent of a 24-64 lens. It's 13% off and it sells for $647. Then we have the Lumix G85. Now, you probably heard a lot of good things about this Lumix camera. This is kind of a Lumix classic camera right here. This one's just good. Now, it was during the days when they didn't have the best focusing in the world, but with a little work, you can get this camera to work really well. I used it for probably 6 months straight doing these kind of videos. I had very few problems with it. It's on sale for 28% off, and it comes with a 12-60 lens, which is the equivalent of a 24-120 on full frame, and you can get the camera and the lens for $647. That's a really good deal. Then we have, for my beginners out there, a Canon EOS R100 with an 18-45 lens. It is 19% off. It sells normally for $650 and it's selling right now for $529. So that's a good price. The only thing about that camera is it doesn't have a flippy screen, so keep that in mind. Then we have the Canon 35mm f1.8, 15% off, and it sells for $470. Not a bad price. Then we have the Canon 16mm f2.8. This is a good lens. I had this when I was shooting Canon. It's 22% off. It's regular $330 and it's on sale for $259. Then we have the Godox. Now, I just love, you guys know I love Godox, but this is the IT30. This is a flash. It's a transmitter like the X3. This does it everything. You can put this on top of your camera, use it as just a flash. You can use it on top of your camera to control other flashes, or you can take it off the top of your camera and use it as a slave flash. This thing will do everything. And it retails for $75 and it's on sale for $69 right now. That's not a huge drop in price, but it's a new product. So it's not going to get any cheaper than that for a while. Probably, with the way things are going, never be that cheap again. But this is awesome. I ended up buying 2 of them, so I've got them on both my Lumix cameras. This is the newer 300 watt RGB light. This is a very, very strong light. It retails for $310. And it's 29% off at $219, but they've got a coupon below that, so you can get it for $199. 300 watt seconds is a lot of light because I've got 2 soft boxes going right here and they are 100 watts and I run them at about 25%. So 300 is going to get a lot. That's going to be bright. So if you need a bright light, that's going to be probably the best price you can find. Less than $200 for 300 watts. That's amazing. Then we have the Panasonic 85 f1.8. I have been looking at this lens, but right now I have the Mikey lens and I have a TT Artisan 75, but this is a good deal. This is 31% off for the Lumix 85 1.8. Retails for $650, on sale for $447.98. That's a really good lens, and I'm probably going to pull the trigger on that one fairly soon. Then we have the Lumix G9 Mark II, which is one of my favorite cameras. I have it sitting right over there in the camera bag. We just got back from a photo shoot the other day. It is 21% off on the body. This is a micro four thirds camera, 25 megapixels. It's like one of the newest micro four thirds camera, and it's got the amazing focusing in it. It retails for $1,900 and it's on sale for $14.97. That is the Lumix G9 Mark II. It is a micro four thirds camera, but it will do some amazing stuff. Then we have a lens for that. That's a 25 millimeter, the equivalent of a 50 millimeter on micro four thirds, f1.7, 17% off, retails for $300, on sale for $247, and that's made by Lumix. That is an excellent lens because I have that lens. Then we have the Panasonic Lumix S9. You'll hear mixed reviews on this, and I haven't tried it out to know, to give a real opinion. I haven't tried it out enough, but I want to throw it out there because it's 20% off. It lists for $1,500 and it's on sale for $11.97, and it has the same sensor as the S5 Mark II. So that is the Lumix S9 for $11.97. Now we have, you guys have probably seen this if you follow the channel too. This is the Llano battery charger. This is one right here. Got two batteries in it, and if you can see right here, it's showing you how much is left in each battery. It'll take a memory card right here and batteries right here. Carry these with you. You're constantly charged up. These retail for $70. This one is on sale for $55 right now. I've got a couple of these. I love them. Then we have the Godox, another Godox product, IM30. Just a little flash. Little mini flash, and we're going to have some comparison of all these mini flashes coming up very, very soon. But this is a very cool little flash. It's, you know, it's not a wedding flash. You're not going to go to a wedding and shoot it with this, but if you're traveling for fun with the family, whatever, this is a great little flash. It retails for $40. It's on sale for $35. I will leave links for all this stuff at the bottom. If there's anything that you saw that you like, just click our links down at the bottom, and you can buy it through our affiliate link. Now, if you buy through our affiliate link, we do get a small commission, but it helps keep our channel going. Then we have the newer 150. Now, I showed you one while ago that was 300 watt seconds. This one is 150. This one is 48% off, retails for $279, and is on sale for $145.99. It's a really good light. I've got the 60 watt version right here. So I had the 60 watt, and then I showed you guys the 150 and the 300. This, I reviewed this recently. This is the Boya microphone. Boya Magic Mic is what they call it. Just an amazing little microphone. And right now it's on sale for 31% off. It lists for $130 retail, and it's on sale for $89.99 right now. I made a video on this. In fact, at the end of the video, I'll leave the link so you can see this video so you can hear for yourself what it does. But I just really, really love these little Boya mics. They have some amazing noise canceling. It's very cool, carrying case, everything. I was really impressed with that Boya microphone. Now we have the Sony ZV-1F, and it's the white one. I like the white colors on some of these cameras. I think it's kind of cool. It is 17% off, list for $600, on sale for $498. And now it's small. This is a small piece of gear, but it's a very important piece of gear if you ever need one. If you're using field monitors or whatever you put on top of your camera in the hot shoe, you can put on this. These retail, I think they retail kind of expensive for everybody, but they retail for $27, but it's 56% off right now. So you can get them for $11.99. So if you need some of these like I do, jump on them right now while they're 56% off. And that's the newer camera monitor mount. Now we get down to the best deal I've seen on all of Prime, and we are recording on it right now. This is the Lumix S5 Mark II. They have the body only that retails normally for $2,000. You can get the body only for $14.97. That's $500 off. And I absolutely love my Lumix S5 Mark II. It is my main camera. It's my workhorse. I do almost everything I can with my Lumix S5 Mark II. The focusing is fantastic. The colors are great. I can't say enough about this camera, so I don't want to get started too much into the camera because I'm just bringing you guys deals today, but I just love, I could talk all day about this S5 Mark II, but it's an amazing camera, and it's on sale for $14.97 for full frame body, 24 megapixels, does all kinds of good video stuff. It's an amazing, amazing camera. So anyway, I'll leave links for all this at the bottom. If you guys have any questions, let me know at the bottom. If we're helping you out, give us a thumbs up. hit that subscribe button. You guys have a great day. Thank you.